Okay, I'm still working with the 4-ounce Baker Boy hoagie dough, and I wanted to maybe do a jumbo party sub with it. If you have some, just go ahead and take them, lay them out. Now, I thawed these last night, so we're just gonna roll these out, get the air out of them, and kind of set it there like that. I just take 3 of them. We're gonna go ahead and roll them out, lay them side by side, and braid these. This works really, really well if a person wants to do a jumbo sub or a party sub. You know, you see a lot of that around. Go ahead, we got that there. We're gonna sit there, we start our braid, just like braiding hair. You guys just keep going back and forth, crisscrossing, just bring the dough however it wants to kind of go, and away we go. Bring it like this, and back and forth. And the reason why we do this is just it gives the dough structure. So if you want to build a really high-end sub and you're moving the sub, you know, from a catering job where you've got it already put together, this really does give the bread a lot of strength. So when you go to move it, then it'll hold up really well. So we got that there. I'm going to put it on our sheet pan. One thing I like to do too is let's put a little bit of seasoning on the bottom. That keeps it nice so that when you go to stick it on there and get it ready to go and proof and bake, it'll be on the bottom as well. Got it? We got our braid there. Let's go ahead and egg wash the top, just like that. Get it in there nice and even. And we had made our seasonings earlier, so what I did was went ahead and just stuck it in the shaker, and we'll shake our seasonings on. It's like that. A lot quicker, a lot faster, a lot easier than rolling it. Alrighty, got our braid all ready to go. Let's go ahead and we'll pop that in the proofer. Okay, I just pulled our braided hoagie sub out of the proof box. It's been in there about 35-40 minutes or so. I'm gonna go ahead and put it in the oven, 325 for 18 to 20 minutes. Okay, I just pulled out the braided Baker Boy 4-ounce hoagie. We call this our probably braided sub. And again, another cool item that can be cut in half, made into a deli sandwich, or sold as a foot long. Okay, we have one more hoagie left. I figure, you know, I will show you how to make a little Demi table loaf with it. These are kind of real popular for your steakhouses, nightclubs, those kind of places that would like to have a little bit stronger roll. Again, we've got the hoagie thawed. It's the 4-ounce Baker Boy hoagie dough has been thawed overnight. I'm going to go ahead and just roll that out just a little bit like that. Get the air out of it. And then what I do is I take it and I roll it kind of tight like that. I bring it together and I just bring a little twist like that. And I've already prepared my little mini loaf pan with spray, and I stick it in there. You're going to have a nice little cool little twist bread. We will egg wash it just like that. And if you want to leave it plain, you can. If you want to season it, we just sprinkle your seasonings on there and away you go. We'll pop that in the proofer with the rest of them, and I'll show you how they'll turn out when we're done. Okay, I just pulled out the Baker Boy 4-ounce hoagie Demi loaf out of the proof box. It's about an inch or so above the pan and ready to go into the oven. I'm going to bake this at 325 for 12 to 15 minutes, somewhere around there, and I'll show you what it looks like when we're done. Okay, I just pulled out the 4-ounce Baker Boy hoagie dough that we made into a Demi loaf. Check it out. She's already baked and ready to go. This really does make a nice little 4-ounce piece of bread that a person could put on a serving plate and serve in like an upscale steakhouse, restaurant, something like that. Alrighty, and if you have any questions, please contact us at bakerboy.com on any of our products.